An efficient evaluation of web accessibility for e-learning websites using multi-tool for visually challenged users. By Chinna Rao Kurangi, Neetlakshaswara Rao Kolukula, Jayashri Pinjala, Gopi Krishna Sikkolli, Pavan Satish Chandaka and James Stephen Maker. Nowadays, using a website is practically necessary to communicate information, learn new things, etc. in daily life. Web accessibility gives a wide range of people, regardless of age, language, culture, handicap, nationality, or other factors, access to online information. For scholars and website creators, the topic of websites' worldwide accessibility remains paramount. Numerous studies have been conducted to assess the online accessibility of various websites. E-learning websites have become the most significant websites in recent times since they serve as the foundation for the learning process. Since e-learning technology benefits students of all skill levels, it is important to assess the website's accessibility. In recent years, there has been a global surge in the variety of e-learning websites. Laws have been established in numerous nations to ensure that websites adhere to online accessibility guidelines and standards, thereby ensuring that these websites are also accessible to students with disabilities. However, not every website complies with web accessibility standards. This study assesses the online accessibility of nearly all Indian e-learning websites. This study uses accessibility evaluation techniques to provide web accessibility compliance statistics. Using 7 industry standard web accessibility assessment tools, Achika, Viv and Cynthia says, Eval Access 2.0, HERA 2.1, TOR, and Tenon, we examined 25 e-learning websites for this work. The main finding of this study suggests that there is a lot of scope for improvement in terms of web accessibility for many Indian e-learning websites. The outcome suggests that websites should be improved so that everyone can view them. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.